everyone, welcome back to my channel. For all the lovely viewers out there, thank you so much for even stopping by and watching this video. I'll be doing for you guys today some fritters, some vegetable fritters, no saltfish in this one, all right, with some steamed cabbage. Now stick around, remember to give this video a thumbs up, comment, put on your post notification bell. Let's get right into the video, guys. All right, so we're going to sift the flour with all the dry ingredients that we're going to use. This is just, guys, this is just to make the fritters a little bit more airy and lighter. You don't have to do it if you don't want to, but I'll strongly suggest that you do. We're going to add some celery salt, some black pepper, some all-purpose seasoning, and I'm using the Grace one. I also have here some dry thyme leaf that I'm going to be adding in it. Anytime I have the thyme sitting around not using it, I just dry them out and just put them in container, because when you dry it, guys, it's another way of preserving what you have at home. Right, I think that's about it. Let's get into cutting our seasoning that we're going to add to it. Now remember, you want this to taste nice, so we're going to add a lot of seasoning in there. And you want to cut these as fine as you can, all right? And you want to just rock the knife back and forth. No, but I cut off your finger now. Just rock it back and forth while moving your fingers in. We can use a little piece of scotch bonnet pepper here, guys, not a lot. And after cutting your pepper, especially make sure you wash your hand, because your hand is gonna just be full of spice, and then you're gonna rub your eyes or touch the baby, and then somebody will be crying, all right? So just remember, always wash your hand after cutting up scotch bonnet pepper. We're gonna get into cutting our onions now. And just a cooking tip here, guys, when you cut your onions, keep this part on it, because this is what holds the onion in place. So all the gases, you know, when you're cutting onion and you're crying, this is what helps not to let you cry, because it just controls the onion and hold it in one place, so you can cut it so the gas don't come up in your face, all right? So just bear that in mind when you're cutting onions, to keep here, and then you dispose of it afterwards. That will be just enough. We want to cut these as fine as you can as well, because remember, they're going to go in the fritters. Alright, so I've gone ahead and just shred a little bit of carrot, because we're going to add carrot in it as well. So we're going to just add everything. And also some corn. This is optional. If you don't like it, you don't have to use it again, all right? So we're just gonna add some water and bring everything together. Guys, when you're cooking, especially vegan food or vegetarian food, your food don't have to be boring. You can live it up, you can add and mix and match. You can do anything you want just to create a perfect recipe that your family or friends will enjoy. Alright guys, so let's put this aside and let it marinate for a little while, not for too long, just until we get the cabbage ready for steaming. Alright, I think this is the coolest kitchen gadget you can ever have, guys. Look how nice my carrots looking, and it just minimizes the pressure of me to just cut up these carrots. Do the cabbage, and this cabbage been sitting in my fridge for the longest time. Perfect time now to use it up. We don't want it too fine and even too big. We just want it in between, right? Alright guys, so make sure your flame is, hear me about flame, and on a flame stove may I use, guys. Make sure your stove is medium to low heat, and that little one there is just my little tester. So you're going to add now your dough, your fritters dough. You don't want to get them too thick, right? Now as soon as they start to brown a little, you can flip them over, and make sure you have ready some paper towel to just drain off the excess oil. Alright, these, we refer to these as stamp and go. If you're hosting a little party, you can easily make some of these, man. I mean, I tell you, so your guests will enjoy them. They're super easy to make. You can all make it from the night before and just put it down, make it one marinate and thing, you know? Yes, man. I'm on the last set now, guys, and I have to keep reminding myself not to eat out none of the little fritters them, because me I tell you, so them look so little and tempting. Remember guys to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget, that's the most important thing. For the cabbage, you see the same oil where we fry up the fritters in, like it's full of so much flavor already. We're just going to use some to prepare the cabbage, alright? Yes man, that's supposed to taste nice when it finishes. Alright, as usual, our garlic and onion first. Me feel so weird to cook with one clove of garlic, but I tell you guys, the struggle is real in quarantine. Then our onions. toast some turmeric at this time. Alright, we're pretty good, you know, if we just mix up everything. Yeah, I tell you, say this smell, and I know it's going to taste good. Don't forget your salt, alright? Alright, we can add the coconut milk now. Alright guys, woo, food ready. Can't say I'm gonna get something nice today to eat and to go try, right? Yes man, this is ready. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I really do appreciate all of you. Until next time, bye.